Today is the day. Today we are officially launching something that we have been building for a long time. This is not just another prepper tool. This is new and it's a unique tool to preppers everywhere and something that solves a problem that I think a lot of people don't even realize that they have yet. Let me ask you a question. What happens if the internet disappears? Like even temporarily, no Google, no YouTube, no quick search for how to purify water or how to treat an infection? Most people think that they're prepared. But if your plan depends on the internet, you don't actually have a plan. Right now, almost everything that we rely on is digital and controlled somewhere else. Information, guides, instructions, how-tos, even basic knowledge. And here's the reality. You don't own any of it. Because if access gets restricted, if systems go down, or even if you're just somewhere with no signal, it's gone. And that's the gap that most people don't see. You can have food, gear, supplies, but without knowledge and information that you can actually access, you're limited. Einstein once said, "You cannot possibly know everything, but the real trick is to know where to find the information when you need it." And that's exactly why we have built something new. We have built what's called Prepper Offline. This is not just a collection of PDFs. It's not an online subscription, and it's not something that you have to stay connected to use. It's a complete offline digital survival knowledge system that you can download, own like a book, and use anytime, anywhere. No internet, no dependency on a website, and no risk of losing access. And here's what makes it different. Prepper Offline is a fully structured, searchable library of real-world prepper information and knowledge. We're talking like how-to guides, step-by-step instructions, what-if scenarios, training content, checklists, manuals. Everything is organized, categorized, and built for real use, not just reading. And the best part is that it works just like a website, but completely offline. You download it, you unzip it, and you open it in your browser. That's it. No software, no setup, no learning curve. Let's compare this to what's out there right now, because most options today are random PDFs, physical books, online websites, or expensive hardware systems. But each one has limitations. Books, for example, bulky and hard to search. PDF collections, great condensed information, but difficult to find, collect, and organize. Websites, gone without the internet. Hardware devices, a single point of failure, and all your information is gone without a backup. Prepper Offline solves all of that. It's a complete knowledge library with new information being added all the time. Fully searchable, works on any device, fully portable, and can be run from a USB or flash drive, multiple backups for your personal use, and the best part is that it's completely offline. Like you can store it anywhere, USB and flash drives, your laptop, put it in an emergency kit, bug out bag, vehicle, off-grid cabin, anywhere else that you may need it. Download it once and you have it forever. And this is where it really changes things. Most platforms today push subscriptions. We don't. You're not renting access. You're not dependent on a system. You own the downloaded library, like a little digital book. And if you want, you can optionally update it over time, but that's your choice. That's a huge shift because this isn't just a product. It's a living system. New content, new knowledge, real-world updates, all built around one idea. Your knowledge should be available anywhere, no matter what happens. So if you're serious about preparedness, this is something that I think you should at least take a look at. You can browse everything online right now. Just head on over to preppingcommunities.com, sign up for free to get access to all the prepping community features. But the real value is having it offline. So all you got to do is click the offline menu item to learn more and download it, because when things change, access to your information is everything. Remember, Prepper Offline, download it once, back it up and store multiple copies, keep it where you need it, and keep it forever. This is just the start, guys. We're going to keep building this out, keep improving it, and keep adding real world knowledge that actually matters to you. We are adding and updating content all the time, and we even allow for you to add your content. So if you've been following what we're doing here, you already know this is about being ready and not relying on systems that you don't control. I hope we see you at preppingcommunities.com. I hope you check out Prepper Offline, and I will see you in the next video.